do you think? Kind of neat, huh?
How old are they?
This one's the oldest. He's 12.
Uh-huh.
The other two are 11.
Oh, they're 11.
We used to have 16 when we were breeding.
Uh-huh.
So the boys are at their side of the barn, the girls had their side of the barn. All the pastures, we have to keep them separate. So
Of course.
a lot of work.
Oh, I'm sure. Boy, do they all go in here? The 16?
Well, we have a total of 8 pastures, so there are 2 up here.
Okay.
And then beyond those trees down there, there's a run-through shed, and there's 6 more pastures out there.
Oh, wow.
But that's because we had 16 alpacas, 4 goats, 2 sheep.
Wow.
He was first born here, and anyone born on the farm is named after a movie star. So his legal name is Chevalier, but we call him Chevy.
Oh.
And he's the sweetest one.
Is he? And what about this one?
They none of them like to have their backs touched.
Oh.
And when people do walk an alpaca, we usually take Chevy out because he'll let you pat his neck.
Oh. Okay.
The Nordic's not a great walker. The Dacker's good.
Wow.
Hey guys.
Let's feed him right here. Hold it.
What do you want, little boy?
So do they only eat these pellets, or what else do they eat?
This is a treat.
Oh, is it really?
They'll get that in the wintertime when there's no grass, but right now
Oh.
they're just in pasture.
Oh, okay. Do they don't eat apples or anything like that?
Some
Carrots?
people's alpacas do, but ours never did.
Oh, okay. Wow. So how long do they live, alpacas?
15 to 20 years.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, so these guys are middle-aged.
Yeah. There's more. So when do you shear their fur?
When we have them shorn end of April, beginning of May, and rovings.
Okay, wow.
And knitters loved to come and meet the animal who
Oh,
started their vine.
Yeah, we'd love to see the store.
Okay.
Hi. Shh.
I had carrots this morning. So you
Oh.
almost have to.
They like apples, huh?
Yeah, they sure like apples. What? Why did the goat spit out?
Why do they stay out?
Oh, why did he spit it out?
Oh, spit it out. You did it to have to get a good hold on it. Do they have teeth?
So how old are these goats?
The brown one was born in April,
Mm-hmm.
and the black and white was born in May.
Oh. Oh. Hold on, Ethan.
How old are you, Ethan?
3.
3. Wow.
So you're almost 4.
Uh-oh.
I'm almost 4.
Wow. When's your birthday?
September.
September.
Yay!
That's
So I'm surprised he actually knows that.
Yes,
That's
it's gonna be
soon.
my birthday soon.
Yeah.
That's soon.
It's gonna be my birthday soon.
Yeah.
Yay.
Yes,
Oh, they're friendly.
yes, they're so friendly.
You're brave. I don't know.
Just took the apple. Oh, I got it.
It's okay. You pick it up. This is Ben and this is Jerry. Say hi, Ben and Jerry.
Ben, hi, Ben and Jerry.
Oh.
Open them in this apple.
Oh, Nathan.
I dropped it. Hey, that was my last one.
Okay. Alrighty. Let me. So cute.
You like that?
Their eyes are really interesting.
Yes, they are. We used to have a specific goat shear and
Oh yeah.
invite people to watch the shearing. They were much bigger, 250 pounds each.
Oh, they were 250 pounds.
They
Oh
were
my
big.
gosh.
And
Oh, so you make like was it wool or something out of their?
well, we take their fiber and blend it with the alpaca.
Oh wow,
And
that's really interesting.
the shear knew all facts about goats and sheep. And the eyes are like that, so they have peripheral vision of like 180 degrees. They can't see up.
Wow. So how long will they remain like? How long is their infancy like?
I don't know. I should probably look it up.
Mm.
Whereas the other animals we've had were strictly for fiber. These guys are not fiber. These are fainting goats.
What does that mean?
If you spook them enough, they just fall right over.
Oh,
like that
really?
in the air.
Have you seen that happen?
I was not prompting it because they came with parasites.
Oh.
They were stressed from being.
Where did you get them?
We got them out in Lancaster.
Oh, really?